A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. In today's session, we will be practicing for our Term 1 examination. So let's get started, children. So this is your question bank in which we will be learning. Our first bit is answer the following questions. First answer is where can we find the environment? Where can we find the environment? We can find the environment everywhere we look. Full stop. It is in the air, water, soil and food. Yes, the question is where is the environment? We can find the environment everywhere, children, as we have learnt in the lesson. It is in the air, water, soil and food. How does a clean environment help us? How does the environment help if we keep it clean? A clean environment helps us to become strong and healthy. A clean environment helps us to become strong and healthy. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Okay? Please be careful with the spellings, children, and always start your answer or any other sentence with a capital letter and end it with the full stop. Why does the little elephant go for a walk? Why did he go for a walk? The little elephant goes for a walk because he wants to explore. The little elephant goes for a walk because he wants to explore, children. Yes, he wanted to explore. He wanted to see what are the new things. Yes. Why does the little elephant feel sad? Why was he sad? The little elephant feels sad because he cannot hide anywhere. The little elephant, see children, the answers are, half of the answer is from the question itself. The little elephant feels sad because he cannot hide anywhere, because he was not able to hide anywhere. That is why the elephant was feeling sad. Last one is, why is the elephant happy in the end? Now the elephant is happy in the end. Why he was happy? Let's see. See, the answer is from here itself. The little elephant is happy in the end because he can also hide just like his friends. The little elephant is happy in the end because he can also hide just like his friends. What is the spelling of because? B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Now our second bit is write the meanings. You will be given a word over here like this. You have to write its meaning. First one is around. Yes, what it is? Around. Located on every side. Located on every side. Dusty, covered with full dust. Covered with full dust. Surprised, amazed. Surprised, amazed. Giggle, L-A-U-G-H, laugh softly. Giggle, laugh softly. Yes. Explore, to search and discover about something. Explore, to search and discover about something. Wanders, to walk around slowly in a relaxed way. To walk around slowly in a relaxed way. Yes, in this way you will be learning your meanings. Now our next bit will be complete the poem. You will be given any one poem, children. This is the bug, or you will be given with a friend. So first we will learn only the 4 lines you have to write. The bug. When the rain had gone away, when the rain had gone away, and it was shining everywhere, and it was shining everywhere. I ran out on the walk to play. I ran out on the walk to play and found a little bug there, and found a little bug there. When the rain had gone away and it was shining everywhere, I ran out on the walk to play and found a little bug there. Now next one with a friend. I can talk with a friend. I can walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can talk with a friend. I can walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. You have to write this, children. You have to not recite the poem. You have to write the poem in the blanks. Whatever blanks are marked here, you have to write that. Okay, only the first word and the last word will be given to you. You have to fill up the blanks. So be very careful with the spellings, children. Now our next bit, that is the fifth bit, is look at the pictures and make compound words. You have to see the picture and you have to make the compound words. As already we have studied what are compound words, now we will see the picture. What is this? This is a butter in a plate. Yes, and it is a fly. So what is the word here? B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. This is rain and this is a bow. R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, bow, rainbow. This is a sun and this is a glass. S-U-N, sun, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, sunglasses. Okay. This is a cup and this is a cake. C-U-P, cup, C-A-K-E, cake. This is a hand and this is a ball. Foot, this is a foot, children, sorry. And it is a ball. F-O-O-T, foot. B-A-L-L, ball, football. This is a hand and it is a bag. H-A-N-D, hand, B-A-G, bag, handbag. E-A-R, ear, R-I-N-G, ring. E-A-R, ear, R-I-N-G, ring, earring. Okay, you have to learn all these spellings, children. Only I think 4 or 5 will be coming out from all these. So you have to learn all these compound words. You have to look at the picture and you have to spell it and you have to write it. Okay. So today's homework is to answer the following question and write the meanings, complete the poem and also the compound words in your practice book, or else if you have your homework book with you, you have to do the practice in that book, children. Okay, that's all for today. Take care. Goodbye.